Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Alaya AF. Today we're going to be doing Healthy AF, where I'm going to be showing you how to make one of my favorite homemade face masks. If you do struggle with face puffiness or you just want to nicely exfoliate your skin because you know your skin's going to be glowing after this face pack, whatever your need is, I'm sure this face pack will help you a lot because I absolutely love it. I think this is the face pack I make the most often. And yeah, I love it, so maybe you guys will too, and I hope you do. All you're going to need is ground up coffee, sugar, olive oil, honey and some milk. Oh, and a bowl, you know, so you can like mix things in it. I mean, you can do it in one of the other bowls, but okay, you need a bowl. And spoons. Or not, you can also do it with your hand. Whatever, you get the point. First, I'm going to take some of this coffee. Make sure this coffee is like a little like broken down. Like, I literally just took the back of my spoon and did this. You can do it with that, what's that called? You know what I'm talking about? Anyway, just grind up the coffee. 2 teaspoons of ground up coffee first into the bowl. Then the sugar, which is so helpful in exfoliating everything. Okay, 1.5 spoons of sugar. See, I always do this andaze se. So now that I'm like trying to tell you guys how much to put of everything, honestly, it doesn't really matter that much. Just make sure it's not that liquidy. There's no actual real science to this, or maybe there is and I just don't know. 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 spoon of milk. Oh, this is looking quite good actually. Okay, yeah, this is like exactly how it's supposed to look. Oh good, so I gave you guys the right measurements, thank God. This is what it's looking like now. Now we're going to take this and we're going to rub it into the skin. I'm going to do it in front of you guys. It's a little messy, so I'd suggest you guys do it, you know, in your bathroom. And I'm going to start rubbing it into the skin like this. Just take it in like round motions. I'm going to look crazy at some point in this video. Rub. Maybe I shouldn't have done this out here. Oh, I should probably also tied my hair in this video. Ooh. Don't fall on my... Oh no! Oh no, there are particles falling. Oh, now there's some on the floor, there's some on the table, there's someone here. Basically, just scrub it. Oh my God. I really shouldn't have done this here. Instant regret. I'm looking crazy. Okay, guys, I'm gonna let this chill on my... Oh my God, I look so crazy. My God, what am I doing with my life? But I swear this is really good, guys. Oh yeah, my hair is stuck in this. Okay, guys, I'm gonna let this sit for 20 minutes. First, I'm gonna wash my hair, tie my hair. I'm gonna let this chill on my face for 20 minutes. I forgot to shut the video.